we use this plant oracle to communicate with the divine being. I'm holding 50 yarrow stalks. I'm going to return one stalk back into the back,
to heaven,
which symbolizes Tai Chi. A tied up sack, and you don't know what's in it. We don't use one. We use 49. We don't use that one anymore in this ritual. So I'm holding 49 yarrow stalks, and randomly I divide the stalks into 2 heaps to symbolize the 2 primeval forces of heaven and earth. And I take one stalk from the right-hand pile and insert it between my little finger and ring finger here to symbolize the 3 powers, heaven, earth, and man. Then I pick up the left-hand pile, and I'll count through the stalks by fours, to symbolize 4 seasons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, until there are 4, 3, 2, or 1 stalks left. Now there are 3 stalks left. So what I'll do is I will insert these 3 remaining stalks between my ring finger and middle finger to symbolize an intercalary month. Okay. In 5 years, according to the book, there are 2 intercalary months. So I'll pick up this right-hand pile and start counting through by 4s to symbolize the 2nd intercalary month, until there are 4 or less stalks left. Now I have 1 left, and I'm going to insert this between my middle finger and the index finger. Okay. I return this pile to where it was. I'm holding several stalks. There should be either 5 stalks left or 9. Let's see how many. 5. Okay. 5. This constitutes 1 change. We need 18 changes to form a hexagon. Okay. It's 1 change. Place it horizontally furthest away from me. I'll repeat the process twice. Okay. Now, in this second counting, either 4 or 8 stalks should remain. Now, therefore, if it's neither 4 or 8, something has gone wrong somewhere, and I'll do the recounting if it happens. Hope it doesn't happen. This is the 2nd mutation, the 2nd change. One more, and I will get the first line. Now, there should be either 4 or 8 stalks remaining in the 2nd and 3rd counting. And here we've got, it's intact, 4 remain. Now, we have these three heaps here, right in front of us. For the first mutation, it's either 5 or 9. If there are 5 stalks, give it the numerical value 3. If there are 9 stalks, give it the numerical value 2. The more stalks, the smaller the number. Okay. Now we've got 5 stalks here, so it has the value 3. Understand? Right? If it's 9, it's not 9, but it were 9, then it would get the value 2. In the second mutation, the remainder is either 4 or 8 stalks. If it's 4, give it a 3. If it's 8, give it a 2. Give it a 2. Now we've got 4, therefore it has the value 3. Same applies to the third counting. If 4 remain, then it will be 3. If 8 is to remain, it's 2. Now we've got 4, therefore it has the value of 3. 3, 3, and 3. Add those 3 together, it gives you a 9. 9 is a moving line. It is a moving yang line. Yang line. Okay? And what we do is draw this lowest line. Put a circle in the middle to signify that this is a moving line. This is a moving line because it has a 9. We still have a bit of time. I can do it again, and hopefully this time we don't get a 9. We'll get something else. All right. Now, there are 8 stalks remaining. Because there are 8, therefore it has the number 2. So it is 3 plus 3 plus 2. What is it?
8.
It's an 8. An 8 means a non-moving yin line. Biting off. Okay, 适合 biting through. Severing. 9 at the beginning means his feet are fastened in the stalks so that his toes disappear. No blame. No blame because it is still at the initial stage. It's the trouble. But if you repent early enough, or you change course early enough, there should be no blame. But as you move along, it spells trouble. 9 in the 4th place means bites on dried gristly meat, receives metal arrows. It furthers one to be mindful of difficulties and to be persevering. Good fortune. Apparently you have changed course, you have changed your working style. This is good fortune, but it is not the end of the story. As you move up, you reach 6 in the 5th place, which means bites on dried lean meat receive yellow gold, persevering, aware of danger. Perseveringly aware of danger. No blame. Still okay until you reach the top. 9 at the top means his neck is fastened in the wooden cangue so that his ears disappear. Misfortune. You're all bound from toe to top, which is a severe form of punishment. In chains, they're in chains. So the whole thing doesn't look good. It starts off with warnings. Apparently, it's not heeded. Therefore, when it reaches the top, you're in great trouble. You're in chains.